Hey, good morning, real estate world. John Moss here for General Property Management right here in good old Eau Claire, Wisconsin. So today I'm going to try to save you some money. I've been receiving letters from attorneys and accountants about it's called the Corporate Transparency Act and doing a beneficial owner information registration. And initially I was like, yes, somebody will do this for me because I don't really like doing that sort of stuff. Just do not like it. I'll pay a little money and have somebody else do it for me. But then when I looked at the cost and the number of LLCs that I'm involved in, I was like, oh my gosh, this will be thousands of dollars. And from what I understood from an article I read, it sounds fairly easy, just might be a little bit painful. It was actually easier than I thought. So I'm doing this video to save you some money. This is something you can do yourself, this registration. If you've already done that, just stop the video now. Don't waste your time. That's all I'm going to talk about, okay? So the beneficial owner information that is required is for anybody who is a beneficial owner of a company, corporation, LLC, or some sort of business entity, or someone who has substantial ability to control that entity, such as like a president, CEO, CFO, the big titles that are in a company. If you're a sole proprietorship or partnership, you're exempt from this. And this is due by January 1st, 2025. If you do not do that, I'm told the fine is $500 per day. And I also believe that's $500 per day per entity. So it can be kind of expensive if you don't do it. So it's so easy. This is how you do it. You need your name, address, date of birth, and an ID. Use your driver's license. That's the easiest one to use. And then the business entity, you need the name of the business entity, address, the where it was formed. It's probably formed in Wisconsin. Maybe it was formed in Minnesota, maybe Illinois, maybe Alaska, who knows. But where it was formed, you'll need the tax identification number, also known as the employer identification, EIN. In some cases, you won't have one, and it'll be your social security number. If you don't know the EIN, you can contact the IRS to find out. 800-829-4933 is their business number, or you can also fill out a Form W-7 for the IRS requesting that information. Maybe it's on a bank statement too. Maybe your EIN is right on top of a bank statement that you get from when you formed that account years ago. Maybe the attorney that drafted that articles of organization and operating agreement for you, maybe there's an EIN at that attorney's office. And you just make a simple phone call. What is my EIN? And they can tell you. And you do this at a website called fincen.gov, fincen.gov, or search BOI or search the Transparency Act. Be sure though that you select the website that ends in .gov, because I found that there's some websites out there that do not end in .gov. They end in like .com or .org. And what it appears to be is that they're trying to get you to do it through them, and they're going to do it on your behalf and probably charge you a fee. So that's what I have for you today. John Moss, General Property Management, right here in good old Eau Claire, Wisconsin. So you can learn more by visiting our website at generalpropertymanagement.com. And yes, it is No Shave November. Next month, I'll probably not look like I just came from deer camp. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.